Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to do something a little different and a lot of fun. We're going to learn English by diving into a story. Reading stories is a fantastic way to see how words work together and to pick up new vocabulary in a natural way. So, get comfortable, and let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young baker named Leo. Leo was renowned for his delicious bread, but he had a peculiar secret. Every night, a tiny, mischievous sprite would visit his bakery. This sprite, named Pip, had an insatiable appetite for anything sweet. Leo, initially perturbed by the nightly visits, eventually found them endearing. He started leaving out a small, specially baked pastry for Pip each evening. In return, Pip used his magic to ensure Leo's ovens always baked the most perfect golden brown loaves. Their unspoken arrangement became a cherished ritual, a silent friendship baked in sugar and flour. One day, a traveling merchant, known for being incredibly astute, noticed the exceptional quality of Leo's bread. He offered Leo a lucrative partnership to open a bakery in the bustling city. Leo was tempted, but the thought of leaving his village and his tiny friend gave him pause. He realized that some things, like his unique friendship with Pip, were far more valuable than any fortune. He politely declined the offer, content with his simple life and the magical bond he shared with the little sprite. What a sweet story, right? Now, let's break down some of the great vocabulary we just heard. First up is quaint. Quaint means attractively unusual or old-fashioned. The village wasn't just small, it was charmingly old-fashioned, which gives us a lovely image. Next, renowned, arianode mod, delode need. If you are renowned for something, it means you are famous and respected for it. Leo wasn't just a good baker, he was famous for his bread. How about mischievous? Miscue, muse. This describes someone who likes to cause trouble in a playful way. Pip wasn't evil. He was just a little bit naughty, which makes him a more lovable character. And insatiable, ianesatiaba. This means an appetite or desire that is impossible to satisfy. Pip's craving for sweets was huge. We also heard perturbed, prtur. This means feeling anxious or unsettled. At first, Leo was worried about the sprite visiting his bakery. Then there's astute, astut. An astute person is sharp and can accurately assess situations to their own advantage. The merchant wasn't just any merchant, he was very clever. Finally, lucrative, lucrative. A lucrative offer is one that will produce a great deal of profit. The merchant's deal could have made Leo very rich. So there you have it, 7 new words from one short story. Try to use one of them in a sentence this week. Let me know in the comments which word was your favorite. If you enjoyed this style of learning, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.